This is out front where all my calendulas were last year. What a mess. Well, today I got outside and I cleaned up the mess. I pulled out, I got rid of all of that and used it for mulch. I did what you might call chop and drop. I broke it all up into small pieces and just flung it over places where there was just dirt. And so it is serving a purpose. Excuse me, my little flowers. I think these are, I forgot the name of them. But they come out, they're little red or orange or yellow flowers. I'll think of it later. There's one that's growing up through the asphalt at the edge of the garden. Amazing. I don't know how it got there. Should be up in the garden. Well, I remember it's called a primrose. How it managed to move itself from my dirt down to the asphalt, I'll never know. Well, that's it for this video. Short and sweet. I just wanted to share that with you. So, may God richly bless you. May your gardens always be bountiful and fruitful. And may you always be able to determine what the truth is. Until next time, this is Darlene from Darlene's Garden saying, bye, have a wonderful day.